Hi, everybody. So today's topic will be what if it is already done within you? So it is said, and that is what I have been learning, that the moment you desire something, it is done. It is now becomes your responsibility to stay with that, being that. So staying within that is lot simpler, lot easier than becoming that because when there is a desire, it is normally yet to happen. So it is in the future space. Now, 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 what to choose? So this inner space is that is what my discovery today is. Like suppose you have a vision, then you need to plan, right? You plan a lot. Then there is a structure and then you start working towards it. So when you start working towards it, it is just a small thing that you can do. And because the vision is very big and what you want is for this stage, for this avatar of yours is huge. So that is why it is but natural that frustration will come in. Now, here are the three things that you should remember, or you can actually practice to make that into a reality. So, what do you lose? First of all, do you lose anything if that big dream doesn't happen? Because it is not directly affecting your life as such at this moment, because it is something for your later avatars. It is not for your present avatar because right now you are not there yet. That is why the desire is in the first place. But it is already done, whether you are ready or not. It is just that it is the onus is on you as to how quickly you become that to match, align with your dream, to experience it. The moment you become that, it is given, it will appear in your world, and then you don't need it, mind. So that is a very fanciful situation. That is what I feel for our dreams to be happening. And life is so small in comparison to the vision that I have. My vision is like having a calmer, cooler, cleaner, greener, and richer globe. That is my vision. Now, if you go by that, that sounds like an impossible dream, but it is not impossible when like a million of us think this in the same line. Actually, they are thinking. It is just that our vibration, our energy will be multiplied the moment we are connected, and that is why I am coming live, so that somebody, whoever is watching me here in this space, gets connected to me, and because the ultimate avatar is not yet there with me, might get disappointed with my present avatar as well. I don't know. But can I help that? I can't. You disliking me, you can't help. Me not being the ultimate avatar, I can't help. So, what best we can do? We can keep on touch. We can have this wild brainstorming. We can, with our brainstorming, we actually attract the some of the possibilities because we are watching, because we are not losing anything if it doesn't happen today or tomorrow. In the inner space, it is done, it is only we need to approach. So the recent formula that I have discovered is like when there is a situation, there is a desire, before jumping to the next how and what and where and when, all those questions, I I can just pause and stay with it and absorb the positive of it, the negative of it, and how my mind is racing. Because it is my mind rushing, it is not me. My essence is not my thoughts or my mind. So, in, in any case, my mind has a survival brain which will always take care of uh, who, like my well being, rather than my ambition or my great wishes, my great vision. So it always keep me limited so that I don't risk big thing. So that is what its function is, and that is what it will be doing all the time. It is not me. Me is in my vision. You are in your vision. If you are getting it, then the action part is staying when your desire happens and witnessing it in a neutral manner. So if you can do that, where there is no expectation, where there is no frustration, no expectation, no frustration. So that is a equanimity stage, which is essential and fertile place for things to take place. So if you can hold yourself for a minute in that space, then it will be attracted to your space quickly, and you will be moving towards your future avatar proportionately that quick. So if it makes any sense, then definitely it is a trick, it's a formula for you to manifest the best that you have been having in your life. And if it is not, then also it's fine, because this is an experience. So if you want more of it to come to your life, then we can meet, we can connect on Sundays and at 3 p.m., and we can take this discussion forward. Let us have a discovery call, and I am looking forward to connect with you. Thank you for watching.